more than just 2 times. But it's like getting uphill on you.
Yeah, you always hear about that shit on YouTube. Now you can hear it for ourselves. Yeah, that's no train. That's just damn peculiar. It's like steady, non-stop. Yeah, it sounds like a vent from a plant, but there's no plants around here.
That we know of.
That we know of, yeah.
Doing that road work.
No, dude.
Sounds like it's like a hollow.
Yeah, it sounds like something that's out of pipe.
Yeah. It's being muffled, yeah.
Yeah. It's getting louder. Listen. It's fucking wicked. I got this shit on video, bro. This shit just stopped. Look at that fucking drone flying over right there, look. Look at it right there. Bright as a fuck. See if I can get it on video. Yeah, you can see that drone right there. A bright one too. You hear that whine?
Still there. Faintly now. Your eye thinks you're whining. Hear it?